Hey everyone, today we are going to write the program that generates possible two-number combinations from an array that equal the target value. For example, we have an array and the target value is 11. So we are going to anticipate the outcome something like this. The addition of two numbers should match the target values, just like 6 plus 5, which will be 11. 5 plus 6 should be 11. 7 plus 4 should be 11. 4 plus 7 should be 11, which it is going to extract it from here and making the combination, and then it is generating these possibilities. So let's get started. Let's write for let I in numbers, and inside in this I'll be adding another for loop for let j in numbers. Now inside in this I'll be going to write a check if index I is not equal to index j, which means suppose index of I is 2 and index of j is again 2. In that case we are not going to generate the possibilities, only we are going to take the different numbers from this array each time. So for the in such cases we are not going to generate the possibilities, which I can see after adding some different number here to know it. So now after adding this one, inside in this I'll be adding another check which basically add two numbers, which is of for example number of I is, consider that I position is 0 and j position is 1. In that case numbers of I we can extract here in numbers of I, which will be 6 if considering I value is 0, plus numbers of j considering j value is 1. In that case 6 plus 5, which equals the target value. In such case I want to print the possibilities, numbers of I comma numbers of j. Suppose 6 then I value is 0 and the j value is 2. In such case the combination of 6 and 7 will become 13, which is not the exact target value. So in that case we are bypassing this check. Only if it is matching to the target after adding the numbers, in such case we are going to print it. So that's it. Let's check the result now. Playground.js. There is some error over here, as we have written numbers here and we have added here number. So let's correct it. Let's save it and let's clean it up and rerun it. So you can see we are able to generate what exactly we wanted to generate. So first combination 6, 5, which is this one. I consider this as I and this is j. Okay, next time this is I and this is j, the second possibility. Third possibility I j, and then fourth possibility this is I and this is j. There are 4 possibilities we are able to generate from this array which matches the target value. So suppose example if I add here 12, in this case we are going to generate the 2 possibilities. Now what I will do, here is also a 6 available, I'll add this one as 6. In such case what we are going to get, let's check. So you can see 6 6 6 6 multiple times we are getting. The reason is the possibilities we are finding here multiple time. That is fine, because first time I position will be here and j position will be here. Second time I position will be here and j position will be here. So 2 possibilities we are able to generate. Now if suppose if I add here numbers of I, if we are adding this one, it will eliminate 6 plus 6 possibilities, which is not correct. So now let me change it to 4 and see what exactly we are going to get. Now still we are getting the same. If 6 and 6, which is a combination of, if we are adding 6 plus 6, which will become again 12, but the result we are not able to achieve it if you add this type of check. So we can avoid this by just adding I and J. That's it. In this way we are able to get the possibilities of 6 as well as 5775. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.